Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home. We are in week 4 in modules, January 27th to February 2nd. Just one more week of this 5-week semester. This week we have discussion 4. We have again Thursday due date for essay and Sunday due date for peer evaluations. And we have an MLA quiz. Our artwork here is appropriate. It's SpongeBob. Yeah, I know it's the second time I've used him. I just like him trying to type an essay the day before it's due. This image fits because we will be dealing with procrastination as one of the obstacles to student success. And of course, our class topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates, and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, I'm going to click here for week 4 in modules, and this takes me in. We have discussion 4, Carol S. Dweck's Brainology, and Devin Price's Unseen Barriers, 120 points, 1,500 words, Thursday and Sunday due dates, and we have an MLA quiz. As you know, with the essay, we do have 2 due dates. I'm going to click on it here. And our due dates are, of course, Thursday for the essay, and we have Sunday for the peer evaluations, and you'll be doing 4. There is a word count of 125 words each, half a page for a total of 500 words, 2 pages for the peer evaluations. And as usual, there are 1,000 words, 4 pages for the essay. Okay, you'll need to read the directions very carefully with the examples here. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox. And if you anticipate being late, please make sure you communicate with me and we work out any situation together. All right, let's have a good week.